Hey there, content creators and future AI enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly exciting in store for you. We're diving deep into the world of AI-powered content creation, and trust me, it's a game changer. I will explain it to you in 4 simple steps. So let's get started. Step 1. Understanding AI content creation. Step 2. Tools and resources for AI content creation. Step 3. Creating high-quality content with AI. Step 4. Monetizing AI-generated content. Step 1. Understanding AI content creation. AI content creation is the process of creating various types of content, such as text, images, audio and video, using artificial intelligence. Step 2. Tools and resources for AI content creation. At Fast, we will write the script for the content. I will use ChatGPT for this. Second, now need voiceover and video. For this, I will introduce a simple and cheap tool, in which you can make monthly quality pool content at low cost. I also use it. That is Filky. Links are provided in the description. If you go to the link and open an account with Gmail, 25% discount if you buy for whole year. If you want to earn by creating content, then buying it will be very affordable for you. So without delay, go to the link given below and buy it and earn for the whole year. The benefits you will get by buying it are 1.180 minutes of credits per month, access 850 plus voices with 140 ultra-realistic, 5 in each language, point 3, full HD 1080p videos, point 4, videos of length up to 15 minutes, point 5, millions of premium images, video clips and music assets, point 6, translate content to 75 plus languages, point 7, no watermark, point 8, commercial rights. Step 3. Creating high-quality content with AI. I made a short video showing how to get high-quality full video. Open ChatGPT. I think I will make a content about the benefits of vitamin C. Ask ChatGPT to write a script on this topic and see how well he writes it in a short time. You will change something. Now copy the script taken from Fast ChatGPT. After that, I will go to Filky. Click on New File and name the file as you wish. Enter some of your content in the AJ text bar. Now go to the Layout option and take the stock footage as desired. Open your content by adding a new bar here. Select voiceover. Now see your content is ready. In this way, the more time you give the video, the better your video will be. Now, Step 4. Monetizing AI-generated content. If you are successful in creating content, you will have many sources of income. Promote products or services with an AI-generated content and earn commissions on sales made through your affiliate links. Create and sell online courses or tutorials based on AI-generated content, especially if it's educational or instructional. Offer enhanced or premium versions of your AI-generated content with additional features or customization options for a fee. You can license AI-generated content to businesses or individuals who need it for their websites, apps, or marketing materials. Ensure you retain ownership rights. I have tried to give full idea in short time in this video. If something is wrong or something is missing, you can comment. If you want to know anything else, comment. I will help you completely. In the era of AI, content creation has evolved from a purely manual effort to a collaborative effort between human intelligence and machine intelligence. In this video, I show you how to unlock the full potential of AI as a content creator. Good luck on your content creation journey.